Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Hello there. Let's analyze this physics question regarding lenses. Let's read question A first. The lower half of a convex lens is covered with a black paper. Draw a ray diagram to show the formation of an image of an object placed at a distance of 2f. Mention the position and nature of the image. Also, state the observable difference if the lens is uncovered. And give a reason for your answer. Alright, let's look at the answer for part A. Here is the ray diagram. Notice that, even though the lower half of the lens is covered, the light rays passing through the upper half still converge to form the complete image. The image formed will be real, inverted, and located exactly at 2f on the opposite side of the lens. Now, what is the observable difference? Well, the image becomes much brighter or more intense when the lens is completely uncovered. Remember, the entire image is formed in both cases. The reason for this is that every part of a lens can form a complete image. Covering the lower half only blocks the lower rays. This reduces the amount of light reaching the image, which in turn reduces its overall brightness. Moving on to question B. An object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeters from the optical center of a concave lens of focal length 15 centimeters. Use the lens formula to determine the distance of the image from the optical center of the lens. Let's write down the given values for this concave lens. The focal length, f, is minus 15 centimeters since it is a concave lens. And the object distance, u, is minus 30 centimeters. Now, we will use the standard lens formula. 1 by f equals 1 by v minus 1 by u. Substituting our values, we get 1 by minus 15 equals 1 by v minus 1 by minus 30. Simplifying the signs, this becomes 1 by minus 15 equals 1 by v plus 1 by 30. Rearranging the equation to solve for v, we have 1 by v equals minus 1 by 15 minus 1 by 30. Taking the minus sign common outside. 1 by v equals minus of 1 by 15 plus 1 by 30. To get a common denominator of 30, we multiply the numerator and denominator of the first term by 2. This gives us minus of 2 by 30 plus 1 by 30. Adding the numerators together, we get minus 3 by 30. Simplifying this fraction gives us minus 1 by 10. Finally, by taking the reciprocal, we find that v equals minus 10 centimeters. So, the distance of the image from the optical center is 10 centimeters. Since it's negative, it forms on the same side as the object. Great job completing this problem. Thank you and happy learning.